All right, guys, I'm gonna do a little bit of leather cleaning on the front seats here. We're gonna see how they work. We're gonna use some products here. These products, we're gonna use are by Pro Products. We're gonna use the leather cleaner and their leather lotion. We're gonna use a clear finish product. This is the Monster Mitt by Carl Gamba. And we're gonna use one microfiber towel. We might need another one for drying. The clear finish mitt, you want to moisten it up a little bit here. So I'm spraying water. Let's get it wet. I'm also going to spray water on the towel because our wipe down is going to be with a damp towel for this leather cleaner. Now this is something you kind of just put onto, you don't spray this, but you can put it onto a sponge or a towel and rub briskly into the leather. We're gonna apply it on with this here and rub it into the leather, and then we'll wipe down with a damp towel afterward, and then maybe a dry towel. So let's see how these work, guys, and hopefully everything goes well. All right, guys, let's test out some leather cleaner and stuff here. This is the before. All right, guys, I've got my Gamba mitt. I've got some of the leather cleaner. So we're gonna put a little bit of this on here. And we're gonna clean. Oh, wow. Wow. This is awesome. Guess these seats haven't been cleaned in a while. Look at it's getting this like scratch out of here. All right, now let's take our dampened towel and let's wipe everything down. Okay, guys, you ready to see the before and after? Let me get the camera. Okay, guys, so let's do a before and after. This is the side I just cleaned here. Let me pull the tape up. Wow, look at that. Let's check out the seat here. Holy moly. Amazing. Look at that. Wow. Pretty dirty, huh? Awesome. You guys want to see this work in person? All right, so I've got this. Let's pour a little bit of cleaner on here. Okay. Now we already know this is going to clean. Actually, I should put some at the top here. Oops. All right, so Watch this middle section. Holy smokes. Look at that. Amazing. Wow. That's what it used to look like, guys. All right, let me finish up here and we'll get on with the video. Alright guys, we've got the Pro Products Leather Lotion. Now you can apply this to an applicator or a sponge, but basically shake it up, which I've already done. Get it on the sponge that I'm using today, an applicator, and you just rub it in. And this is going to help with UV protection against heat. It's going to make it supple. It's going to sit in there and get inside the pores. I mean, some of the newer leather, you know, will limit that process because it has a coating on it. But for the most part, rub this in everywhere after you've cleaned the seats. It smells good too, like, you know, like leather. So just keep rubbing it in. Now when you're done, just come back with a towel and wipe over it. Get any of the excess off. And you want to flip the towel around. Make sure you're using clean sides here. That way it gets all the excess off. And you're done. The seat feels good, nice and clean. Looks fantastic. Very nice, guys, very nice. right, guys, so did you like the video? If you did, hit that like and subscribe button and press the notifications bell so you get all the new videos we're putting out. What are we doing today? Well, we're cleaning up some of the leather seats in the car I'm using. Now, I don't think these things have been cleaned in a real long time, guys. So I pulled out some of the heavy hitters. You know, the Pro Products leather cleaner paired up with the Carl Gamba Monster Mitt. Now, this is a special mitt. I don't know, it has this like felt texture, and he makes these personally. That's a guy from Clear Finish Products. He makes these like by hand, I think. So anyway, what you got to do is you got to get this. It's about 20 bucks. Spray this with water, and then you get some of this leather cleaner from Pro Products. This is awesome stuff, guys. It's like a pH balance. It's not high in alkaline. It just cleans leather. Get some of this. I just pour it on here, and you scrub away. All right, your hand fits inside here. You just scrub, 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 scrub. And this product kind of creates almost like a soapy lather. And as you're cleaning, I mean, you'll see it just cutting the dirt, cutting the dirt. This is real soft, so you can use this on all kinds of materials and finishes inside your car. It's not going to scratch anything. You can use it on the wood grain. I did the steering wheel. I did all the door panels that are plastic, and I also did the leather. Phenomenal. Paired with this, I mean, unbelievable. The results were amazing. You guys saw it. Just awesome, awesome product. You guys got to try these two products out. And when you're done cleaning everything, you just get another towel and make sure it's damp, and you wipe it all down. Get all the residue or the soap off there. It's not like it leaves residue, but just wipe it all down, get it all clean. From there, you're gonna grab the Pro Products leather lotion. This is really, really good stuff. It's supple. It restores the leather nice to a soft feeling texture, you know. It smells good. It's good for UV protection, and in the heat, we live in some crazy heat. You can see I'm sweating. Looks like it's gonna rain. You know, so just an awesome, awesome lotion here. It has lanolin in it and some other ingredients that just kind of really seep into the leather. So once you apply that, I used a little sponge here, and I just kind of applied a little applicator, put it on there and applied it all over. It doesn't stay wet, it like dries in there, so it's really cool. You're not gonna have any greasy feeling. And then I just kind of wipe over the whole thing with this little towel here, and done deal, guys, done deal. Excellent combination. Try the Pro Products leather combo there. Get the Clear Finish mitt. I'm gonna leave links to both these products, all three of these products, in the description below. So if you're looking for them, just go to the link and try them out. Awesome. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you later.